The primary forces acting on an aircraft during flight are lift. Lift is the upward force generated by the wings as a result of the airflow over them. It opposes the force of gravity and allows the aircraft to stay airborne. Lift is produced due to the difference in air pressure between the upper and lower surfaces of the wing, as well as the angle of attack and the shape of the wing. Weight. Weight is the force exerted on the aircraft due to gravity. It acts vertically downward through the aircraft's center of gravity, CG. The weight of the aircraft includes the combined mass of the aircraft, passengers, cargo, and fuel. The aircraft must generate sufficient lift to overcome its weight and maintain level flight or climb. Thrust. Thrust is the forward force that propels the aircraft through the air. It is generated by the engines or propulsion system, such as jet engines or propellers. Thrust overcomes drag and allows the aircraft to accelerate, maintain speed, and counteract other resistive forces. Drag. Drag is a resistance force that opposes the aircraft's motion through the air. It is caused by various factors, including the shape of the aircraft, air friction, pressure differences, and the interaction between the aircraft and the surrounding air. Drag reduces the aircraft's speed and must be overcome by thrust to maintain or change the aircraft's velocity. These four forces, lift, weight, thrust, and drag, interact with each other and play a crucial role in determining the aircraft's performance, stability, and maneuverability. Proper management and understanding of these forces are vital for pilots to control the aircraft and maintain safe and efficient flight operations.